Welcome to this quick and informative course on YouTube automation. In just 15 minutes, you'll gain valuable insights into building a profitable YouTube channel without ever having to create videos yourself. This method revolves around outsourcing essential tasks like script writing, voiceovers, and video editing to skilled professionals. If you're ready to transform YouTube into a reliable passive income stream, you're in the right place. So let's dive deep and explore the exciting world of YouTube automation together. By the end of this session, you'll understand not only how to automate your channel, but also how to maximize your earnings, maintain high-quality content, and scale your YouTube business effectively. So grab a notebook, stay focused, and let's get started on this exciting journey. YouTube automation is the innovative process of running a YouTube channel by delegating most or all of the work to freelancers or specialized agencies. Instead of filming, editing, and managing the content yourself, you hire others to take care of these tasks. This strategy allows you to manage multiple channels simultaneously and scale your business quickly and efficiently. Let's break it down further. Imagine having a successful YouTube channel where you don't need to appear on camera, spend hours writing scripts, or even touch video editing software. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what YouTube automation is all about. It's about creating a system that works for you while you focus on growing your brand and expanding your reach. First, let's focus on content research. This involves identifying trending topics and niches that captivate viewers' attention. Without compelling content ideas, your channel won't attract a significant audience, and growth will be limited. Next up is script writing. Crafting engaging scripts is essential to keep viewers hooked from start to finish. But don't worry, you don't have to write these scripts yourself. You can easily hire skilled writers who specialize in creating captivating YouTube content. Then comes voiceovers. A professional voiceover can elevate your videos, making them sound polished, trustworthy, and engaging. Again, you can find talented freelancers who excel in this area. After that, we have video editing. This is where the magic happens, combining visuals, audio, and effects to produce a compelling video that keeps viewers coming back for more. Finally, thumbnail design. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, and they play a crucial role in determining whether someone clicks on your video. Eye-catching, professionally designed thumbnails are an absolute must if you want to boost your click-through rate. But that's not all. Other factors like SEO optimization, engagement strategies, and analytics tracking also play a key role in successful YouTube automation. We'll cover these elements in more detail as we progress. Selecting the right niche is absolutely critical to your channel's success. You need a topic that's not only in high demand, but also not overly saturated with competition. Let's dive into some of the most profitable niches that consistently attract large audiences and offer excellent monetization potential. First, we have finance and investing. Channels that provide money management tips, investing strategies, and financial advice tend to attract high-paying ads due to their lucrative nature. Next, tech reviews and tutorials. People love learning about the latest gadgets, software, and tech tips, making this niche highly popular. Health and fitness is another powerhouse niche. From workout routines to healthy eating guides, this area has a vast, engaged audience eager for valuable content. Motivation and self-improvement are also incredibly popular. People are always looking for ways to enhance their lives, boost productivity, and achieve personal growth. Lastly, luxury and lifestyle content captures viewers' attention by showcasing luxury cars, high-end fashion, expensive vacations, and exclusive products. Use powerful tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy to identify trending topics and gauge viewer interest. These tools provide valuable data on what people are actively searching for. Additionally, look for niches with high CPM, which means advertisers pay more per 1,000 views. High CPM niches can significantly boost your revenue potential. Consider audience engagement as well. Some niches may have high CPMs but low engagement, while others may have highly loyal followers who engage regularly with your content. You don't have to do everything on your own. Here's how to find the right people to automate your channel and ensure high-quality content production. Platforms like Fiverr are excellent for finding affordable services, including script writing, voiceovers, and video editing. Upwork is ideal for hiring skilled professionals who can handle more complex and specialized tasks. For affordable virtual assistants, onlinejobs.ph is a fantastic resource, especially for hiring dedicated workers from the Philippines. You'll need a scriptwriter to craft engaging and informative content that keeps viewers hooked. A voiceover artist will bring your scripts to life with a professional, captivating tone. A video editor is essential for assembling visuals, audio, and effects into a seamless final product. And don't forget a thumbnail designer to create visually striking images that boost your click-through rate. Start with small projects to test freelancers' skills and reliability before committing to long-term work. This approach helps you build a trustworthy team without unnecessary financial risks. As your channel grows, consider hiring a content strategist or channel manager to oversee the workflow and ensure consistent quality. This will free up more of your time to focus on scaling and expanding. With your team in place, it's time to dive into the content creation and uploading process. Step 1. Conduct thorough research using tools like VidIQ to uncover popular video ideas within your chosen niche. Step 2. Have your scriptwriter create engaging, informative scripts tailored to your audience's interests. Step 3. Send the script to your voiceover artist for professional narration. Step 4. Your video editor will combine visuals, narration, and effects to produce a polished, captivating video. Step 5. Design a thumbnail that grabs attention and encourages viewers to click on your video. Use SEO-friendly titles and descriptions to improve your video's visibility in search results. Add relevant tags to help your videos get discovered by a broader audience. Schedule regular uploads for consistent posting. Consistency is key to growing and maintaining your channel's audience. Don't forget to engage with your audience through comments, community posts, and polls to build a loyal subscriber base. Once your channel meets the YouTube Partner Program requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning money. Ad revenue is the most common monetization method, where you earn money from ads displayed on your videos. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote products and earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. Sponsorships are another lucrative option, where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. You can also sell merchandise, such as branded products, digital goods, or exclusive content. Explore crowdfunding platforms like Patreon for additional income streams by offering exclusive content to paying subscribers. Focus on high CPM niches to maximize your earnings. The more valuable your content is to advertisers, the higher your revenue potential. Once you have a successful channel, it's time to think about scaling your business to new heights. Consider launching multiple channels using the same automated system to create diverse content across different niches. Reinvest your profits by hiring more skilled freelancers or increasing your content output. The more high-quality content you produce, the faster your channels will grow. Utilize project management tools like Trello or Asana to efficiently manage your team and streamline your workflow. These tools help you stay organized and keep everything running smoothly. Analyze your YouTube analytics to identify what's working and what isn't, and continuously optimize your strategies for better results. YouTube automation is a powerful strategy for building passive income streams and growing a successful online business. By choosing the right niche, assembling a strong team, and consistently uploading high-quality content, you can create a profitable YouTube empire without ever picking up a camera. Now it's your turn to start automating and growing your channel. Embrace the process, stay consistent, and watch your YouTube business flourish. Use TubeBuddy and VidIQ for comprehensive keyword research and SEO optimization. Leverage Canva for easy professional thumbnail creation. Organize your workflow with Trello and Asana for efficient project management. If you found this course helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert tips on growing your online business and mastering YouTube automation. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to your YouTube success.